Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and you can see your main browsing window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice three vertical dots there, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options and features. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This option is typically located towards the bottom of the menu and will open Chrome's main settings interface. Clicking on Settings is essential as it gives you access to all of Chrome's configuration options, including privacy controls and cookie management. Once you're in the Settings page, you'll see a sidebar on the left side of your screen with different categories. Navigate through this sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the important controls for managing how Chrome handles your browsing data, cookies, and site permissions. It's where you'll find the tools to customize your privacy preferences and control what information websites can access. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find an option labeled Third-Party Cookies. Click on it to open the Cookie Settings panel. This area specifically deals with how Chrome handles cookies from websites other than the one you're directly visiting. Third-party cookies are often used for advertising and tracking purposes across different sites, so this setting gives you control over that functionality. Now you'll see several radio button options for managing third-party cookies. Click on the radio button next to allow third-party cookies. By selecting this option, you're telling Chrome to accept cookies from all sources, which can improve your browsing experience on many websites that rely on these cookies for functionality, personalization, or user authentication. And that's it. You've successfully enabled cookies on Google Chrome, allowing websites to function properly and remember your preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.